Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering essentials: router IP, admin user, and a backup of current settings. Once done, plug into the router with Ethernet so you avoid wireless drops. That prevents incomplete writes. Next, log into the Web GUI or SSH. Use the admin account, not a guest profile, because only admin privileges reveal QoS and bandwidth controls. Make sure firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can hide options. Now navigate to the main status page to confirm device list and current WAN speed. Once logged in, go straight to QoS or bandwidth control. Routers label it differently, so check advanced or traffic sections. You want to set total WAN caps equal to your ISP plan. This prevents oversubscription and improves responsiveness. Then create rules. Target by IP, MAC, or service port, and assign priority or guaranteed bandwidth. Use proportional shares or absolute kbit/s limits for each device or group. This matters because proportional rules scale automatically, whereas absolute limits remain fixed. After configuring rules, save and apply changes, many routers need a reboot to enforce new policies. Once restarted, run multiple speed tests and simulate typical loads, streaming, gaming, file upload, to confirm priorities behave as expected. If a device still hogs bandwidth, inspect its rule order and matching criteria, because first match rules often override later ones. If something breaks, restore the backup you made, check for firmware updates, and re-enter rules step by step to isolate the problematic setting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.